Left the frozen streets behind me, where the winter never ends. Packed my bags and chased the sunshine, said goodbye to all my friends. Now the highway meets the ocean, and the air is clean and sweet. I can feel the peaceful living with the sand beneath my feet. Beautiful water, endless blue, paradise is waiting here for you. Beautiful beaches, quiet life, finally left behind the noise and strife. If you're asking me, I'd say, don't you hesitate a single day. Pack your bags and make your move. There's nothing left to lose. People ask me why I did it, how I left the world I knew. I just tell them, look around us, see the sky's bright as blue. It's a healing kind